what is up, you guys? What is up? Welcome back to another video. And today we will be teaching you how to make an obby. So let's go. The first level I'm going to be teaching you is the easy, simple ball jumps. Perfect. And then makes this just red. And then you're just going to keep duplicating them. And put them right here. Oh yeah, by the way, make sure to anchor all of these. Oh yeah, crap. Anchor. Perfect. So now just get them, move them upwards, and just keep putting them in different spots like that. Perfect. So yeah, just put these ball jumps wherever you want. For now, I'm only gonna do this. I'm only gonna do 4, just because. Perfect. So now we have 4, and these are the ball jumps. I just wanted to show you how to do those. These don't actually have to be. So yeah, you just hit part and then sphere, and then you can scale them however you want. But now we're gonna get into the good obby. So what you're gonna do is insert a block, aka a brick, and you're gonna want to scale this down to there and anchor it, and duplicate this about 4 or 3 times. So I'm gonna do that. Perfect. Now we're gonna want to do this and change the colors to whatever you want. I'm gonna do green. That looks good. Turquoise color. Then we're gonna add one more brick in, and this is gonna be our safe zone. And then duplicate it and anchor them. Perfect. Now, we're in every single one except for one. We're gonna paste a script in. And it has this code in, and I will teach you. I will put this in the description, right? So then just paste it in every single one. Paste. Perfect. So now we have 3 that are deadly, and then 1 that isn't. And which one is it? Okay, this one's the non-deadly one, I think. Yes. Okay. So now if we hit test or play, we are in, and then you would do your ball jumps or whatever. So and then you would come here, right? I walked across this and I'm safe. But if I go on the other ones, I died. So yeah, that's the tutorial of how to do an obby part 1. I'm gonna be making this into a big series. I've actually made a couple of canceled series, such as the Piggy series that got canceled. But yeah, bye. Hope you enjoyed this. Bye.